Hi folks, how you doing? Remember the onions we put in seed cells a few weeks ago? Well, they're now ready to go outside. There we go folks, as you can see. Hello Mr. B. How are you? Or Mrs. B. I don't know how bees work. I think it's male bees, isn't it? You're a pretty little fella, aren't you? You are a very pretty fella. Should we try and get you out of here? Come on then. Put the camera down and we'll get you out the greenhouse. Sorry about that folks. Had to save a bee. You can see these have grown on so well. And now all we're going to do is take them out here. I'm going to make a little hole like that. Drop them in. Push it down. Robert's your mother's brother. We've planted an onion. And there we go folks, all the onions are in. I've packed them in, onions and shallots and garlic actually, but I've packed them in quite tight because as I've said to you before, I will pull these out young. If I want a spring onion and I see one that's looking decent, I'll just pull it out. So any that are packed really close together, whichever one grows first will be picked out and eaten.